three stocks, basically, I think we're going to talk about DC Healthcare. This is the first one. I think if you look at DC Healthcare, share price has been constantly on the downward trend since, I think, late last year. And the fact that I think share price has finally broken out from this downtrend yesterday, that could be a signal that I think a stronger rebound could be underway. I think the chart here is a bit small, but when you zoom in and you look at the candle, share price has actually bounces back above the 30-day and 50-day SMAs as well. So I think that is also another reason why I think we are putting this as one of the buy calls for today's idea. I think if you look at the share price movement, however, we need another white candle to further validate the breakout run. Once I think the white candle is formed, I think very good chance that the share price may continue to extend its recovery move. Second stock is actually Lotte Chemical. I think short term has been on the downtrend, but I think again yesterday the share price broke out from the downtrend channel on strong volume yesterday. However, I need to caution you that I think trading will be choppy in the near term, because if you look at the candles, if you look at the share price, it continued to stay below the key moving averages. So I think it will continue to make attempts to challenge those moving averages. And once those targets are being taken out, so basically it will instill greater confidence into the stock and extend the upward momentum. The third stock is actually AGX Group. I think if you look at the chart here, we see the formation of higher low structure. So that is a first sign that the stock is actually embarking on an uptrend. Secondly, even when you look at the recent consolidation where my cursor points to here, the correction was actually supported at the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, which is also quite near to the 30-day SMA. So in other words, I think the correction was probably already done, okay? And I think right now the share price is actually on the recovery move. And those who've seen the pattern here, basically the long white candle, the long white body is actually a sign that I think the momentum was strong yesterday, okay? So overall, we think that the upward trajectory will be extended, and I think share price is actually poised to challenge 57.5 cent. There will be some minor resistance at the recent high 60 cent as well. Okay, so those are the near-term targets for the stock to beat. And if you look at the RSI, the indicator itself, it is actually turning upward. And the best part is it is actually not overbought yet. So I think the landscape basically supports our view of a rising trend.